Hello everyone. In this video, I am giving you clear and simple overview of Zoho Books module by module. If you are new to Zoho Books or want to understand how it works, stay with me for the next few minutes. This is dashboard. It gives you a snapshot of your business like total receivables, total payables, cash flow, income and expenses, bank and credit balances. You can even customize the widgets based on what's most important to you. It's your financial control room. Then this one is sales module. You can manage all the money coming in. You can create an invoice to the customer, prepare an estimates and convert them to invoice later, track payments received and know who still owes you, set up recurring invoices for subscription clients, and even create credit notes for return or refunds. This keeps your entire sales organized. Let's move forward to purchase invoice. In the purchase module, you handle all your business expense and vendor payments. Here you can create bills and send them to your vendors, track due payments, send them to your vendors, create purchase orders before making an bill. Use vendor credits when a vendor gives you a refund or discount. This helps you manage payables smoothly and mentor vendor relationships. This is banking module. In the banking module, you can connect your bank accounts and Zoho Books will automatically fetch your transactions. You can even categorize and match them to invoices or bills and easily do bank reconciliation to make sure your books match your bank. This is item modules. In the item modules, you can add and manage items, track stock levels, and set reorder points. See which items are selling more and keeping inventory accurate. It connects directly with your sales and purchase transactions. Next will be your most importantly, that is reports module. In the reports module, you can generate 50 plus reports like profit and loss statement, balance sheet, GST or VAT summary, cash flow reports, and more. All the reports are customizable and exportable in PDF or Excel format. It helps you to understand your business performance anytime. Next one will be taxes module. In the tax module, you can set up GST, VAT, or sales tax as per your region. Zoho Books automatically applies taxes on invoices and bills. You can also generate tax reports for filing returns and stay compliant. No more stress during tax season. Next will be our section. This is settings where you set up everything for your business. You can add company details, customize your invoices preferences, set up users and roles, create automation rules, reminders, and more. It helps you personalize Zoho Books to fit your workflow directly. So that's it. That was your complete module wise walkthrough of Zoho Books. If this has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you want deep dive on any specific modules, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.